You've watched the videos, you've taken notes, you've even started a little, but somehow at the end of every week, nothing has changed. No sales, no clients, no income, and every guru online tells you the same thing. Just post more content, build an audience, be consistent. But what if that's not actually the problem? What if the real reason you're still broke online has nothing to do with strategy and everything to do with one thing you've never been taught? Stay with me, because this changes everything. My name is No Balance, and I spent over a year trying to make money online, posting, building, grinding, and making almost nothing, until I found the one shift that actually moved the needle. Today I'm breaking it down step by step. No fluff, no filler, just the thing I wish someone had told me on day one. Part 1, the trap everyone falls into. Most people starting online do one of two things. Option A, they consume endlessly, courses, videos, podcasts, but never actually build anything. Option B, they try everything at once: YouTube, Instagram, freelancing, dropshipping, and burn out within 3 months. Both of these are the same mistake. They're both avoidance dressed up as action. Real talk. The internet doesn't reward the person with the best plan. It rewards the person who gets specific fast. Part 2, the skill stack nobody talks about. Here's what actually makes money online. Step 1, pick one outcome you can deliver for someone, not a passion, an outcome. I help people edit short-form videos. I write email newsletters. I make beats for independent artists. Step 2, find 3 people who want that outcome, not 3,000. 3, DM them, offer to do it for cheap or free, get a result, get proof. Step 3, use that proof as your entire marketing machine. One case study beats 100 posts with no results behind them. This is the skill stack. Deliver, prove, repeat. Most people never reach step 3 because they're too scared to start step 1. Part 3, the hidden tax of not deciding. Every day you don't choose a lane, you're paying a tax. That tax is time, attention, energy, momentum. The people making money online right now aren't smarter than you. They're just further along the decide and act curve. You can close that gap, but only if you stop treating online income like a lottery and start treating it like a skill. Skills are learnable. Results are repeatable, but only after you start. Part 4, what to do this week. Here's your homework. 1, write down one service you could offer using what you already know. Can you edit, write, produce music, make graphics, design, translate, whatever it is? Write it down. 2, find 5 people online who might need that. Artists, small businesses, content creators, whoever fits. 3, send 5 outreach messages this week, not 50. 5, just 5. That's it. That's the entire strategy. The algorithm doesn't care about you yet, but the right 5 people might. If this hit different, it's because you already knew this somewhere inside. You just needed someone to say it clearly. The path to making money online is not mysterious. It's just uncomfortable at the start. So do the uncomfortable thing this week. Drop a comment below with the one skill you're going to offer. I read every single one. If you found value in this, subscribe. I post practical stuff like this every week. No fluff, and I'll see you in the next one.